What's up, guys? Derek from Legendary here, coming at you with part 2 of my CGC Comic Reveal. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. We're going to dive right in. We got 18 more slabs. So, first time submitting to CGC. You can see part 1 below. I'll drop the video as well as my process for my first submission. I got 25 out of 26, 9.8, so super excited about that. We're going to be doing the reveal of part 2. Again, part 1 is below if you want to watch those as well. Some cool comics. We're going to dive right into part 2 right here, so stay tuned. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them below and I'll respond to those. I'm going to do a follow-up video with the process for trying to pick a 9.8, which you can look for that might disqualify it. So I did think I might get a 9.6 on one of the books I submitted, but I wanted to just test it out. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this reveal. Alright, so actually it looks like I'm going to be getting multiple shipments. This isn't the full amount of books, but we'll go ahead and do these ones. So first up, I got that Miles Morales graffiti treat. Super dope. This is a Derek Chew cover, 9.8. So we will have a part 3. Next up, I got that. This is my favorite Scotty Young cover, Edge of Spider-Verse 1. Super happy with that. That's going to be a keep for me. Then I got the Mandalorian 1. That's that second print. Super dope. Close-up of the Mando helmet. Alright, next up we got the Tyler Kirkham ASM 300 homage. Miles Morales Spider-Man number 30. Super dope. Nice. We got the Action Comics facsimile. Action Comics number 1, first appearance of Superman. That's a cool one. I think I sent 2 of those in. Yep, so here's the second one. So that's a nice 9.8 on those. Next up, we got Kang the Conqueror's first appearance. Avengers number 8 facsimile. That's a dope book. This was actually my first comic drop on Vivi. So, cool little reminder there. I think I might have sent 2 of those in as well. Yep. Here's number 2. And now we got ASM 1 facsimile. I did a couple of custom labels of these, and I had like a bunch of these in good condition because I ordered 50 of them raw. So let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like 4 of those, at least. Let's keep going. 5. Yeah, 5 of those so far. I might have more in the next shipment as well. That might be it though. I think I might have done 5. Then we got this dope Green Goblin cover. ASM number 44. Lucio Perillo. Yeah, that's cool. Then I got a couple of these. Alex Ross Venoms. Lethal Protector 2, number 1s. So I got 1, 2 of those. Then here's my 9.6. I got the Spider-Man #1, Todd McFarlane, the silver version. So that's pretty cool. Would have loved a 9.8, but 9.6 is dope. That was my only 9.6 of all the comics I submitted. The rest were 9.8s. And last one in this shipment, I got the Tyler Kirkham Virgin ASM 93. Super dope. So this is an homage to the 606 J. Scott Campbell. So that's it for this shipment. Super dope. And just while I got them here, I can also show these. Got a couple of Greg Land's Virgins. Gwynverse #5. It's my favorite Greg Land variant. They also dropped this as a 1-of-1 on VV. And I got a couple more of this set, which I'll be posting up on eBay. The Spider-Gwen Shadow Clones with the certificate of authenticity. So super dope. Love those comics. And that's Ivan Tao. But yeah. What's that, 18? That might be the shipment. It might have just looked smaller than it was. So we got, yeah, that's 18. 5, 10, yep, 15. Alright, so that is all of them. Cool. Yeah, so that's it for my first submission. 25 out of 26 9.8s. Super stoked with it. They changed the pricing and the limits on pre-screen. So now you can send as few as you want. It used to be 25. So now if you have like 5 you want to send in, you can do that. And with the pre-screen, what they'll do is if you get at least that grade, they'll slab it. Otherwise, they'll just send it back raw with a reject fee. So it's a little cheaper. I think the reject fee went up to $9. So that part's a little more pricey. But then also you're not getting like a 9.2 of a modern book, which is kind of a waste. So that's what I did is the pre-screen. I think I pre-screened for 9.6s. But 25 out of 26 ended up being 9.8s. So super happy with that. Again, I'm going to be announcing a giveaway for one of these ASM facsimiles in a 9.8. So make sure you're following me on Twitter as well. I'll probably post it on Twitter as well as do a YouTube drawing for it live. So I'll use like some type of wheel of names drawing or something for people who are in the giveaway. And we'll just give one of these away. So that'd be pretty cool. First solo Spider-Man book. Super dope comic. Well, with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Again, watch for the video I do kind of covering how to find a 9.8 or at least exclude books that aren't a 9.8. And I'll post some resources as well with that video that I looked into before sending my books in. So that'll be like a good start if you have some comics and you want to pre-screen yourself. Again, I didn't press any of these. These were all just raw that I had in my collection, and I just kind of went through them all one by one, found the best candidates, and sent those ones in. So keep an eye out for that. I'm going to wrap this one up and call it good. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the reveal. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. We'll catch you on the next one. Stay legendary.